From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good evening and happy Monday. I'm student meteorologist Luke Snyder here for your Monday evening forecast. Taking a look at the camera from Beaver Stadium, you can see we have a beautifully clear sky, very few clouds in sight. I know last night a lot of us saw a beautiful sunset on campus last night, hoping that the clear sky will allow for another gorgeous sunset tonight. Looking at current conditions, you can see it's sunny and 55 degrees, very warm for this time of year with a dew point of 21. That low dew point is going to be causing it to be a little bit drier today. And then winds coming in from the west at 16 miles per hour. That is a very big story for today. We've had a very windy, very gusty day so far, and that is going to continue. Looking at temperatures and dew points in the surrounding areas, much of center PA is going to be sitting in the mid to lower 50s with those dew points in the lower 20s as well. And then some areas like Erie are going to be reaching the 40s. But the big story is you can see Allentown has a dew point of 8 degrees right now, reaching single digits. So that large dew point depression, that very large range in the temperature and the dew point is going to be causing very dry conditions for much of today. And I know it's going to be continuing into tonight as well. Looking at temperature changes in the past 24 hours, much of the East Coast, especially State College in Center County, is going to be having a large increase in temperatures over the past day. You can see we've increased 13 degrees, and this is going to continue for much of the work week and for the next 6 to 10 day outlook. You can see the East Coast is having this very large, very drastic increase in temperatures, with Pennsylvania being completely engulfed in that deep shade of red. The West Coast, however, is going to be having a little bit of a decrease, but again, much of the East Coast is going to be having a very large increase in temperatures, leading for a very hot week ahead. Looking at wind speeds, you can see State College again 16 miles per hour, with some areas along the west reaching the 20s. With these strong wind speeds, however, it's not going to be feeling much chillier, surprisingly. I know that's very expected with these cold winds, but the temperature will remain very high, and the feels like will remain high as well. Looking some future radar into Tuesday morning, you can see very clear skies, just some clouds coming in through the area, not much going on, and that is going to continue into Tuesday evening as well. And then overnight, you can see a little bit of rain is going to be occurring Wednesday overnight into Wednesday morning. So if you're an early bird and get up early, you might catch some of that rain. But other than that, it should be passed through the State College area by the time most of us are getting ready for school or work. And then looking into Wednesday afternoon, you can see that rain and clouds are going to clear, just some partly sunny skies continuing. And taking a wider look at the northeast region, you can see we have this large rain system moving in through Thursday. So Thursday is going to be a very wet and showery day. You can see Thursday late afternoon, early evening, we're going to have this large rain system coming through almost the entire Commonwealth. And that's going to pass through much of the day into Friday. And then Friday afternoon, you can see we have this transition from rain into snow precipitation. The State College area is going to be right in that middle transition line around 12:30 p.m. tomorrow. So if you're outside, you might be lucky enough to catch the rain slowly transition into snow as the temperatures decrease and the conditions become more suitable for snow. And then seeing Friday, you can see that this large band of rain is going to be moving off the coast, leaving Friday night with just some clear, cloudy skies. Taking a look at current conditions for the rest of the day, you can see we're reaching a high of 52 and sunny. Some very minimal clouds again coming through with those very strong winds coming on. You can see gusts reaching mid to lower 20s for those strong wind gusts today. And then that's going to continue into tonight as well, with mostly clear skies reaching a low of 30. So we're going to be reaching below that freezing point tonight, with winds slightly a little bit less intense, with from the west 7 to 14 miles per hour, with gusts from 20 to 25 miles per hour. So some still very strong gusts today. Looking at tomorrow, you can see it's going to be gorgeously sunny and 51 degrees, with those winds finally becoming calm, giving us beautiful conditions for Valentine's Day tomorrow if any of you have plans. And taking a look at the 7-day outlook, you can see that those warm temperatures are going to continue into Wednesday. Wednesday, we have very high temperatures reaching a high of 63. Very hot conditions before Thursday, and Friday give us that precipitation and slightly cooler temperatures. And then Saturday, we can see we have clear skies yet again before the clouds move in on Sunday, giving us a partly sunny and moderately warm start of the new work week next Monday. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Luke Snyder. Have a great rest of your day.